This is the Xiaomi Watch S1 Active. It's beautiful. It's an AMOLED, always on screen. It's got 5 ATM waterproofing, swimming capabilities, all kinds of great things. Notifications sent from your phone are available. Lots of different settings. Do not disturb. This puppy will turn it on for 5 minutes. You got sound on and off, a digital flashlight in here that's super bright, and of course your overall settings, which include a nice portfolio of different watch faces, each of which would have their own always-on display when it turns off. You've got headphones connection that you can pair headphones to the watch if you'd like, and you can set it up to actually be on your Wi-Fi network. Overall sound controls, brightness controls, do not disturb, and a variety of workout options to automatically detect runs or walks. A PIN number. You've got, of course, your Bluetooth control for disconnection reminder when you're separated from your phone. And the display lets you have an auto lock from 5 to 20 seconds, the always-on display, or simply cover it to sleep. Twist it and you can come back. Very, very sophisticated controls. Vibration, overall system for reboot, power off, and reset. You've got workouts that we talked about, the activities that you've done, and information about each of your activities. All that's on your app as well. Step count, heart rate, blood oxygen, last night's sleep time, stress, on and on and on. And you can see all of those in cards that you can put in here as well and set them to show exactly what you want. It's a beautiful watch. It's very thin, very lightweight. Comes in a variety of different looks. This is white, silver with a white band. The red diodes for blood oxygen, all of your complement of sensors, and full AMOLED screen capability with very long battery life. Again, it's the Xiaomi Watch S1 Active. Check it out.